Oh, do not remind me of those purchases I made that I am so regretting. How's it going? Tessa with you on Virgin Radio, and I'm talking about most regretful Black Friday purchases, right? Because we see a good deal, and we think, oh my goodness, we gotta get this. But do we really need it, right? Do we really need these things? The most regretful Black Friday purchases, a survey was done, and sports gear. People buy sports gear that they don't need. Food that they don't need. Been there 100 times. Beauty products, home and kitchen appliances, clothing, and electronics. So what? Pretty much everything?
Cá đo đủ đọt mà ghê có đà lý là cái lý cá đo đủ cái chuyện đấy nó cực kỳ quá sao à là bữa đó nó
They have hot tubs, a barrel sauna, performance sauna, steam rooms, a cold plunge, and lots of different relaxation areas. It is the ultimate gift. It is the gift that you give that nobody is ever disappointed with. And if you come down here today and you spend over $225, we're going to hook you up with a Thermea salt scrub, and we're going to hook you up with a Comfort Zone product. And that's the same brand of skincare used in these spas, body care, and facial treatments. Give the gift of Thermea this holiday season. Come on down and
hay nó là bữa đâm của chị ấy bộ vậy lo lừa ra bò lệ qua là hoa chí đi gì ta đi quyền đút đó hay mình bò lên là tá qua chẳng qua sao khi nó đâm lừa bài qua sao nó lên nhà đi bộ về cả ba mà đi lo xí đó đi lo là cái gì ta phải thọ còn một con lúa để là thế mà ta bảo tôi là uống gì đấy hay để lấy nó